Now, viewers, our focus today is on the Israel-Iran escalation, the war in West Asia that's now come to mean, and the breaking news coming into this very story at this hour. Israel bombs Tehran's key oil depot, Tehran's Shahran oil depot, up in flames. Iran has said that the fuel volume in the tank wasn't high and that the situation is under control now. But this is the latest that we bring to you from the West Asian theatre in terms of how things have been escalating with each passing minute. And right now, we're being joined by Shivani Sharma on the broadcast to bring us more details on this very specific attack that we are now flagging to you. Shivani, a very good morning to you. An oil depot up in flames, but Iran says that the oil content in it, the fuel content wasn't too high. Take us through what exactly do we know so far on this attack?
See, the tensions between Iran and Israel are escalating each day when the other country is retaliating to the previous attacks. And now what the situation is like, that both the countries are launching missiles at each other, and Iran state media says that the efforts are continuing to bring the massive fire at Shahran oil facility in Tehran under control, though the content was limited. That's what is also being claimed. But the casualty figure that is being claimed by Iranian media is quite high. It is around 80 people who have been killed and 800 who've been wounded in past 2 days. And not only this, Iran has also launched missile attacks across major cities in Israel, including the port city of Haifa, and the Israeli forces are also retaliating. So both the countries are firing missiles at each other, and the tension seems to escalate. And very important out here is to mention that Iran has cancelled the 6th round of nuclear talks with the United States, with the Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi. Says that there is no justification for continuing negotiation in the light of what Israel is doing. So both the countries are now launching attacks at each other, and the number of casualties is also rising. Major cities and civilian areas in Israel have also been attacked by Iran after Israel had attacked the Shahran oil facility.
Right, Shivani, do stay with us right now because we have more updates coming in from this very battlefield that seems to have escalated over the last 48 to 72 hours.